Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into a classic American car that has sparked both fascination and controversy, the 1980 Ford Pinto. The Ford Pinto made its debut in 1971, but by 1980 it was nearing the end of its production run. This compact car was designed to be affordable and fuel-efficient during a time when gas prices were skyrocketing. The Pinto quickly gained popularity, appealing to budget-conscious consumers looking for reliable transportation. Under the hood, the 1980 Pinto featured a 2.3-liter inline-4 engine that produced around 80 horsepower. While it wasn't the fastest car on the block, it delivered decent performance for city driving and was known for its nimble handling. The Pinto was available in various trims, including the sporty Pinto Squire, which had wood grain paneling for that classic Americana vibe. However, the Pinto's legacy is overshadowed by its infamous safety controversies. One of the biggest issues was its fuel tank design, which led to a series of tragic accidents. In rear-end collisions, the tank could rupture, causing fires. This raised serious concerns and resulted in lawsuits that tarnished Ford's reputation. The company faced significant backlash, which sparked debates about corporate ethics and consumer safety. Despite its troubled past, the Pinto has gained a bit of a cult following among car enthusiasts. Many appreciate its quirky design and the nostalgia it evokes. Restoration projects are common, with fans eager to breathe new life into these classic cars. So, whether you love it or hate it, the 1980 Ford Pinto remains an important chapter in automotive history. It's a reminder of a time when cars were designed for the masses, with all the charm and flaws that come with them. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this dive into the world of the Ford Pinto, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive content. See you next time.